Hello, dear friends. Welcome to our Museum of Earth, Department of 21st Century, the era of plants. There was a time when there were plants and plants everywhere. But then a secret spaceship from the outer space landed on the Earth for plant invasion. Yes, you heard it right. For plant invasion. Well, you know what happened then? Let me show you. The planet plant war of 21st century.
A great and the mighty think tank, and the most powerful and intelligent creature in whole universe.
Okay, Captain Iota. Yes, Lieutenant Oops. What do you want to say?
Commander, we have reached the beautiful planet of plants, the Earth. Yes, you're right, Lieutenant Oops. But, oh, it is very dirty. I am dying. Please save us, Commander.
Please save us, Commander. Oh, you fool, stand up and walk properly.
Okay, Commander. Oh, wow. What a beautiful planet.
Yes, you are right, Captain Iota. Now, I want to stay here. Hey, fool, we have not come here to stay, but we have come here for a secret mission. Yes, a secret mission. We are going to take all the plants from the Earth to our planet, Mars. Voice connecting, voice connecting. Can you hear us? Yes. My regards to all the plants on the earth. We have an offer for you. You all are very important for us. But the earthlings, they do not understand your importance. They don't respect you. If you all come with us to our planet, we will give you protection as well as respect.
It's Commander's order. You have to follow this.
So, this is how aliens took plants to their planet. But what could have happened that the plants also agreed to go with the aliens? Let's listen to the conversation of Arroy School girls.
Hello Ritika,
Hi, Urvashi.
how are you?
I am fine and you?
I am also fine. Do you know Ritika? Yesterday I had a dream.
Oh, I don't know. Tell me, what was it?
Hey friends, what are you talking about? Tell me.
Nothing much. Urvashi had a dream last night.
But what happened in her dream?
She was just going to tell me.
Yesterday I saw that there was a world which was different from our world. That was the world of our plants, plant world. By the way, our school is also like a plant world.
Yes, you are right.
Have you any plant of yours?
Yes, I have a plant of mulberry.
What a coincidence. I also have a plant of mulberry and
Mulberry? What's that mulberry?
Yes, mulberry. It's shahatut. Don't you know that, silly you Diksha?
Can I pluck your mulberries?
don't dare you pluck my mulberry, okay?
By the way, what is the name of your plant, Urvashi?
Its name is TB.
TB? Is it tuberculosis?
No, it is Tinchu Baba the Great. And what's your plant name, Ritika?
I call my plant HP.
HP? Is that Himachal Pradesh?
No, it means Harman Pyara. What is your plant names?
Oh, thank God you noticed me. Okay, well, my plant name is G1, the life.
Nice name.
Oh, see, Sapna, Anshu and Mehak are also coming. Let's ask about their plants.
Hello friends, what are you talking about?
We are talking about our plants.
Plants? What about plants?
We are talking about our plants' names.
Okay.
What are the names of your plants?
My plant name is...
Wait. I will tell you the names of your plants.
Okay, tell us quickly.
I have given some funny names to your plant. Please don't mind. So Mehak's plant name is Maheshmati.
Oh, Maheshmati. What a funny name.
And Anshu's plant name is Bahubali.
Okay, the bravest of all, Mahendra Bahubali.
Yes.
And my plant name?
Oh, Sapna's plant. Sapna's plant name is Katappa.
Katappa.
What a weird name. Oh, poor Sapna.
Katappa? But why Katappa?
Because it looks like a hairless person with no leaf.
Now let me tell you your plant name in my way. Your plant name is Pallaldev, the cheater.
No. It is very bad, Sapna.
So, this was the girly talk. I hope you enjoyed. Next day, when our plant caretakers went to see the plants, something strange happened which surprised them all. So, let's see.
Come on, friends, let's go and water our plants.
Let's go.
Yeah, I'm also coming.
SKT, my dear SKT, where are you?
SKT? Who SKT?
See, you all call my plant Katappa. I have given him a more respectful name, Shri Katappa, that is SKT. Hey girls, I cannot find my plant anywhere.
OMG, my plant is also missing. Where can all this plant go? Any idea?
The plants cannot walk themselves.
Then how can they disappear? The whole ground is empty.
Yes, you are right.
Hey, Sapna, I'm your plant, SKT.
Have you heard any voice?
Yes, I heard.
I'm your plant.
What? My plant? Can you speak?
Yes, I can.
Do you know where are all the plants?
Yes, the entire plant community has been taken to Mars by aliens.
What?
And how did you stay here?
I wanted to tell you all this. That's why I have stayed here.
Let's see what will happen on Earth when all the plants had gone to Mars. So friends, no plants,
No oxygen.
no plants,
No rain.
No plants,
No food.
no plants,
No life.
In such a situation, what will our plant caretakers do? Let's see.
Friends, we will have to do something. All plants have to be brought back to Earth.
But how?
I have an idea.
Tell us quickly.
We cannot reach Mars, but our superhero can go there.
That's great.
जिंदगी सवार दो एक नई बहार दो दुनिया ही बदल दो मैं तो प्यारा सा चमत्कार हूँ मैं किसी का सपना हूँ जो आज बन चुका हूँ सच अब ये मेरा सपना है कि सबके सपने सच मैं करूँ आसमां को छू लूँ तितली बन उड़ूँ या हेलीकॉप्टर
Come on, friends. Let's all rescue our plants together and start Planet Plant War.
Doraemon, take out a gadget quickly.
Okay, Nobita. I am trying. No, brother. You always use your gadgets, but this time I will use my gadgets. Please. Okay, Doremi. As you say. This is air carry on.
Come on, friends. Let's go. Mission Mars. Aliens, we are coming.
And we are waiting.
Oh, what a beautiful planet.
You are right, Nobita. It's a very nice planet.
No, but it's not Mars.
What? It's not Mars? Doremi, you messed up again.
Please forgive me, everybody.
Ding ding, ding ding ding. Now, how will we move to Mars? Or do we have to stay here now? Ding ding, ding 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 ding.
Doraemon, do something.
Okay, Nobita. Let me check out my gadgets. No, not this. I found. It is Malayalam. I also want to drive it.
Do you know how to drive it?
Don't do anything wrong now. Ding 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 ding.
Doraemon, trust me. I can do it. Are you not my friend?
Okay, Nobita.
Ding 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 ding. Move on, move on. What happened? Ding 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 ding.
Friends, by the way, where we have to go?
Hey, Nobita, leave it. I will drive.
Finally, we have reached.
Come on, Shizuka. Let's have a round of this planet.
Nobita.
I am also coming.
Ding ding ding. Kenichi, come back. Mushkil waqt commando sakt.
But why, Hattori? Let me enjoy.
Nobita,
Sorry, Doraemon.
come back.
Ding ding ding. Let's go there and search. Maybe we'll find something.
Look at the tower.
Now, let's see. What is the condition of our plants in Mars testing lab?
Oh, these plants are very useful things.
Commander, please check is it right?
Hey, you worthless fool. Leave what right or wrong. Bring another plant for testing on the lab.
Okay, Commander.
Any doubt?
No.
You are the leader of aliens, right?
Yes. Any doubt? No doubt.
You have made a big mistake by bringing plants here.
I didn't make any mistake. They all have came here on their own free will. But you are doing wrong by experimenting with them.
Return them to us immediately.
And if I don't, so it would not be good for you. Let me tell you what is good for me. Captain Iota, Lieutenant Oops, attack!
Okay, Commander-in-Chief.
Oh, you stupids! Don't hold me! Hold these mental earthlings!
Do something, Nobita.
Jian, where are you? Help us!
I am here, Nobita. Defeating these aliens is a game of my left hand. I will sing you my song.
Stop these zombie bombies on! Stop these zombie bombies on!
3, 2, where?
So, this is how all the heroes saved our plants and bring them back to Earth.
Na 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 na. Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance. I wanna grow up once again. Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance. I wanna grow up once again.
Let's take the pledge to save our plants. As responsible citizens, we pledge to save and restore our beloved Mother Earth in the interest of humanity and help protect human lives. Save plants, save planet.
Thank you.
Thank you.